Have you ever felt tired of studying English? You open a book, you watch a lesson, you write new words, but somehow you still feel slow. Maybe you think, I study every day. Why is my English not improving? Today, I want to share something different. Something calm, simple, and easy. Maybe you do not need more studying. Maybe you need a new daily habit. A habit that feels light. A habit you can do every day without stress. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Imagine this. It is evening. You worked all day. You open your phone. You watch a few videos. Now you think, I should study English, but you feel lazy, so you skip it. Does this feel familiar? The problem is not your English. The problem is the word study. When we hear study, we feel pressure. We feel homework. We feel tests. But English is not just school. It is part of your daily life. Let me tell you a story. Last year, I met a learner named Sam. Sam studied English for 3 years. He knew grammar rules. He knew many words. But when someone asked, "How are you?" he froze. He said, "I am fine," and stopped talking. One day, Sam tried a new habit. He stopped long study sessions. He started one daily speaking moment, only 5 minutes. Every evening, he spoke about his day. He said simple sentences like, I woke up at 7. I felt tired this morning. I ate rice for lunch. I will sleep early tonight. Simple, normal, real sentences. After 1 month, something changed. He still made mistakes, but he felt calm when speaking. Confidence grew slowly. Now I want you to try something with me. Think about your day today. Morning, afternoon, evening. Now say this sentence. Today was a busy day. Good. Now say, I felt a little stressed. Or maybe, I felt relaxed and happy. Notice your voice. Notice your breathing. Feel calm. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is comfort. Now, let's practice simple English sentences. Present tense. I work every day. I study English at night. I use my phone too much. Past tense. I watched a video yesterday. I didn't practice speaking yesterday. Future tense. Tomorrow I will try again. I will speak for 5 minutes. These sentences are simple, but they're alive. They are about your life. This is a habit I want you to build. Not 1 hour of study. Just 5 minutes of speaking. Every single day. Can you do 1 sentence a day? Say it quietly. 1 sentence a day is enough. Feel proud of yourself. Now imagine tomorrow morning. You wake up. Before checking your phone, before messages, before social media, you do 1 small thing. You speak 1 sentence. For example, I feel sleepy, but I will have a good day. That's it. This is your new daily habit. Not 1 hour of study. Just 1 real sentence about your real life. Why is this powerful? Because your brain remembers personal sentences. Think about this. When you say, the cat is on the table, your brain says, maybe okay. But when you say, I am nervous about my meeting today, your brain says, this is important. And your brain remembers it better. Think about yesterday. Was there a small problem? Maybe you were late. Maybe you forgot something. Maybe you felt shy in a conversation. Now say it in English. Yesterday I was late for work. I felt embarrassed. But I learned something. See? Simple, normal sentences. You already know the words. Fluency is not difficult words. Fluency is using easy words every day. Let me tell you another story. Anna loved watching English videos. Every night, she watched 2 hours of videos. She understood everything, but she never spoke. One day, she tried something different. After each video, She spoke 3 sentences about it. For example, this video was interesting. I learned one new idea. I will try this tomorrow. At first, she felt silly. She thought, why am I talking alone? But after 2 weeks, something changed. When her friend asked, what did you do today? She answered smoothly, without hesitation. Why? Because her brain was used to forming sentences. Now it's your turn. Mini challenge time. After this podcast, look around your room. Pick 3 things you see. Maybe a chair, a window, or your phone. Now describe them in English. This chair is old. The window is open. My phone is on the table. See how easy that is? Small exercises like this build speed in your brain. Let's practice feelings. Sometimes we do not speak because we are afraid. We think, my English is bad. We think, people will laugh. Now say this with me. My English is improving. I am learning step by step. Mistakes are normal. Say it slowly. Notice your calm voice. When you study too much and speak too little, you feel pressure. When you speak a little every day, you feel real progress. Small progress, yes, but real progress. Now imagine dialogue. Your friend asks, how was your day? You say, it was busy but good. I finished my work. I felt tired in the afternoon. Tonight, I will relax. This uses present, past, and future tense. Simple words. Connected sentences. Fluency is connection, not speed. One last practice for this chunk. Repeat slowly. 1 sentence a day is enough. 1 sentence a day is enough. Feel proud. You are not stopping English. You are stopping stress. Now, let's talk about lazy days. Lazy days are normal. Some days you feel strong. You feel motivated. You say, today I will practice English for 30 minutes. But other days, it is different. You feel tired. Your mind feels heavy. You just want to scroll on your phone. On those days, your habit must be very small. So small that you cannot say no. Imagine this. You are lying in bed at night. The light is off. You remember, oh, I didn't practice English today. Or you might think, it's okay. I will do it tomorrow. Knew you says 1 sentence in the dark. Today was a long day. That's it. Habit complete. No guilt. No pressure. Smile a little. Your brain remembers wins. Think about your morning routine. You brush your teeth every day, right? You don't ask, am I motivated to brush my teeth? You just do it. Your English speaking habit should feel the same. Not special. Not dramatic. Just normal. Now, let's build a simple structure. Every day, answer these 3 questions out loud. What did I do today? How did I feel? What will I do tomorrow? Let's practice together. What did I do today? I worked on my tasks. I talked to my friend. How did I feel? I felt a little tired. I felt happy in the evening. What will I do tomorrow? I will wake up early. I will practice English again. This is a full daily conversation with yourself. And when you talk to yourself every day, something powerful happens. Your fear becomes smaller. Your mouth gets used to moving in English. Let me share another story. David was very shy. In meetings, he stayed quiet. He knew the answer, but his heart beat fast. So he started a new habit. Before every meeting, he said 3 sentences. I have something to say. My idea is simple. I can speak clearly. Just 3 sentences. After 2 weeks, he raised his hand in a meeting. His voice was not perfect, but it was steady. That is fluency, not perfect grammar, but steady voice. Now imagine a real situation. Think about a time someone asked you a question in English. Maybe, what are your hobbies? Or, what do you do? Did you panic? It's okay if you did. Let's prepare a simple answer now. What do you do? I work in an office. Or, I am a student. I am learning new skills. Add one more sentence. In my free time, I watch videos. Or, in my free time, I go for a walk. Notice something. These are easy sentences. When you connect them, you sound fluent. Fluency is connection. One small sentence, then another, then another. Now take a deep breath. Say quietly, I am building my English every day. Again, slowly, I am building my English every day. Feel calm. Feel confident. Now let's make English practice even easier. You do not need extra time. You already have time. You just need to change the language of small moments. Think about this. When you are walking alone, your mind is already talking. You think about work, problems, plans. What language do you use in your head? Probably your first language. Now, imagine you change 1 minute of that thinking into English. Just 1 minute. You are walking and say quietly, I am walking to store. The weather is nice today. I need to buy some food. That's it. You are not studying. You are living English. Let's try another situation. You are cooking. Say, I am cutting vegetables. The food smells good. I hope it tastes nice. Simple present tense. Real life. Your brain loves real life. Now think about your phone. How many times do you check your phone every day? Maybe many times. Next time you unlock your phone, say one English sentence first. Before Instagram. Before messages. Say, I will check my messages now. Or, I will use my phone for 5 minutes. This is a mini habit. Very small, but very powerful. Now let's practice feelings again. Sometimes you feel frustrated. You think, my English is not improving. When that thought comes, answer in English. Say, I am still learning. Learning takes time. I am patient with myself. Notice how this changes your mood. English becomes a tool for calm thinking, not stress. Now imagine a future version of yourself. 6 months from now, someone asks, can you tell me about your week? You answer calmly, this week was busy. I finished an important project. I met my friend on Saturday. Next week, I will start something new. You're not speaking fast. You are not using difficult words, but you are relaxed. That is the goal. Relax fluency. Here is another mini challenge. Tonight, before you sleep, say 5 sentences about your day. Let's practice a model together. Today, I woke up at 7. I felt tired in the morning. I worked on my tasks. I watched a video in the evening. Tomorrow, I will try to wake up earlier. That is a full story. Beginning, middle, end. You just told your daily story in English. Feel proud. This is how children learn a language. They speak about simple things again and again. Slowly, sentences become longer. Your sentences will also grow. Maybe tomorrow you will say, today was difficult because I had many problems at work. Just one extra part. Your brain is practicing daily. Take a slow breath. Ask yourself, can I speak 1 sentence a day? Yes, you can. 1 sentence is not scary. 1 sentence is light. Now let's bring everything together. You do not need a new book. You do not need a new course. You need 1 small daily promise. Say this with me. I will speak 1 sentence every day. Again, slowly. I will speak 1 sentence every day. That is your new rule, not perfect grammar, not long study hours, just 1 real sentence. Now let's create your easy daily plan. Morning. When you wake up, say 1 sentence about your day. Today, I will do my best. Or, today, I have an important task. Afternoon. Describe what is happening. I am working right now. I am feeling a little tired. Evening. Talk about your day. Today was productive. I learned something new. Night. Talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow I will try again. I will keep practicing. This is your full system. Simple, calm, realistic. On busy days, say 1 sentence. On good days, say 5, but never say 0. Even if you whisper in bed, I am proud of myself. That counts. Now imagine yourself after 3 months. You are in a conversation. Someone asks, "Can you tell me about your week?" You answer calmly, "This week was busy. I finished an important project. I met my friend on Saturday. Next week, I will start something new." Your voice is steady. Your sentences are simple. You are relaxed. Why? Because you trained every day, not with stress, with consistency. Remember Sam, Anna, and David? They did not become fluent in 1 week. They built tiny daily habits. And tiny habits grow. Now I want you to do something brave. Right now, out loud, say, "I am becoming more fluent." Say it again, a little stronger. "I am becoming more fluent." Feel that confidence. It is quiet. It is real. Before we finish, here is your final mini challenge. After this episode ends, record a 30-second voice message to yourself. Talk about your day. Do not delete it. Do not judge it. Just keep it. After 1 month, listen again. You will hear your progress. And when you hear progress, you feel motivated. 1 sentence a day is enough. 5 minutes a day is powerful. You do not need to study more. You need to speak more. Calmly, daily, simply. If this episode helped you, practice with me again tomorrow. Write 1 simple sentence in the comments like, "Today I practiced speaking." Keep building your habit. Subscribe for your daily calm English moment. Remember, fluency is not fast. Fluency is steady. Take a slow breath. You are improving. You are calm. You are confident. See you in the next episode.